Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I have set up my sales funnel to capture emails. This is actually only the first step in setting up a sales funnel. This is only the part where we capture the emails of people who want to get whatever you are proposing. Like for example, the ebook or some kind of video you want to show them. A sales funnel can be as complicated or as simple as you want it to be. Today we are going to focus on a very simple one. A very simple funnel that consists only of a form to capture the emails. Once they sign up, we can send them any material they requested. So the software I use for this is called GetResponse. It's been a software I have been using for the last couple of years, and it's been very simple to use and very simple to integrate in whatever I want to do. There are of course many other software that you can use for that. Some of them are ClickFunnels, Builderall, and many others. But I'm going to stick to GetResponse for now. So let me show you how I set up my own sales funnel. So what you have to do is create an account at GetResponse. So that's getresponse.com. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. So this is the dashboard for GetResponse, and what we want to do is to create a landing page. As you can see here, there are several templates you can choose from. You can even select very specific ones for, like, for example, sales or downloads or promotion. We'll just do a sign up and registration. Lots of choice here, very good ones and very simple ones as well. So you can pick whatever you want. I like to choose very simple ones. So things like this one. And here you can put any description for your page. One thing you need to make sure is that the template you're choosing has this thank you page. Some of them don't have a thank you page, so you'll have to add those separately, but I like the templates to have its own thank you page. So this will bring you to the editor. Here it's mostly drag and drop, and you can customize the page to whatever you want. So let me change the logo here. This one is a bit tricky. Just make sure you are selecting the right tools to move it around and snap it to the middle. Usually you have to put something to grab the attention of the visitors here. You can also remove things that you don't need. I usually like to have very simple pages and usually everything above the fold. So I'll just move this around here for now. You can of course change it to whatever you want and move stuff around. I'll just delete whatever I don't need from this page. So I like to have very simple pages like that, so that there's only one action for that visitor to take. You can just write some more stuff here. So this is my completed landing page. As you see, it's very simple. As soon as somebody gets on here, there's only one action they can take. Put in their name, put in their email address, get instant access button. One thing you want to make sure is trying the mobile version. So this one here is what you're going to see on a desktop. If you want to see how it looks like on the mobile, you click on this icon here. And you can see the mobile version. I think it looks alright. Maybe the logo can be a little bit smaller. I'll do that right here. I usually go back to check the desktop to make sure everything is still fine there. Still looks good. Now we want to work on the thank you page. When you have a thank you page on the same template, it's going to have the same styling. So we're going to customize this one to show a video. Put in the logo. And over here, I'm going to add a video. This can be any testimonial I want to make about the product I'm using. And here we can put the link for the product. Try to make it as consistent as possible with that theme you have selected. And this is where you link it to your affiliate marketing link. And you can keep these or remove it, up to you. Once again, check it on the mobile version. The next step will be to customize the URL you want to send people to get to that landing page, and also connect it to a list so that it can save the user email addresses and names. So right here, it already has the page title. This is going to show up on this part when people click on your link. Description is not really needed. You can put stuff there if you want, really. So here I can customize this part. I can call it Legendary Marketer. You can change the subdomains here, but I just like to keep it as short as possible. You can even assign your own custom domain here if you want to, but I'm not going to do it in this tutorial. This is where you will select the list where you want your emails to be saved. I have some here, you can create a new one, but I'll leave it on the default one for now. You can confirm opt-in. That's where your users will have to confirm their email address. This will help you get better quality traffic. I like to leave this unchecked because I just want less friction for people to sign in. This part here is where you're going to hook it up to your autoresponder, but we're not going to do that for this one. When the user signs in, it goes to a default page, the one that we have on the template, or you can set a custom thank you page, or even stay on the current page. We'll just select the default thank you page for now. You can of course add tracking to all of these pages. For now, we'll just click publish. One thing you need to make sure if you're having failed to save settings, that this is a unique one to you, because anybody can use this subdomain. So this needs to be unique to you. So I will put something else here. Click on publish, and now it has been published. So this is the URL you can access your landing page now. So if we click on it, this will be the landing page people see when they click on your URL. So what they will do is put in their name here, put in their email address, and click on get instant access. This one has been used already, so I'll just put something else here. So once they have submitted their email address, they will come to this thank you page where they can watch the video. And if they click on that button, they'll go to your affiliate page on the product you're promoting. Now, if we want to see where those emails have been saved, so we go back to Get Response dashboard, click on Contacts, and look for the list name we have set up with our landing page. This is the one that I hooked it up to, so I'll open this one. And here you can see the email address of the person who signed in, their name, whenever they signed up, and even their IP addresses. As you can see, it can take a little bit of time to set up the funnel, but with some practice that will become easier. As I said earlier, this is the first part of the funnel. Now you need to hook it up to an autoresponder. The autoresponder is going to send out emails automatically to the people who have signed up for your list. I will cover that in the next video. So if you want to use the same software I am using, which is GetResponse, I will put a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.